Guys, I've got something honestly very special for you guys today. This is the Life Balance 10-inch memory foam with cooling gel mattress. This is a full on, I've got the king size. I've got a king size bed, so that's what I needed. Um, it's got actual cooling gel, a couple other things. It's manufactured. It's made in the USA. And it's also designed. This is the one that's a complete medium across the board. So it's designed for all sleepers, from side sleepers, back sleepers, stomach sleepers. So it's for everybody and super comfortable memory foam. I think the 10 inches is perfect because you get that kind of like, even though it's a medium mattress, you get that kind of plush vibe. And I wanted to raise it so you guys could really see how nice it is. And this is definitely, it forms to your body. And you can easily see how, like, when you're moving on this side, it's very quiet. So you're not feeling the noise over here. So when I'm moving here, that person can still feel very still and quiet. And you kind of just develop your own pocket. The bed kind of forms around you. It's so freaking comfortable, dude. I'm about ready to take a nap, and I just got up not too long ago. So the Life Balance 10-inch memory foam with cooling gel. I think that's super important because typically when you sleep, you want to sleep in a cool setting. So this bed is absolutely perfect. I think, why waste your time scanning through the thousands of other mattress brands? This one, I tested it out. It is the one.